Lennox elevates the simplicity of installing refrigerant detection systems. Unlike many competitors who delegate complex wiring tasks to the installing contractor, we take a different approach. Lennox's refrigerant detection system is engineered as a plug-and-play solution, factory integrated for effortless installation. Our new gas furnaces, paired with dedicated coils, make installation incredibly straightforward. Simply plug the sensor into the control board. It's that easy. There's no need for additional wiring, complex diagrams, or troubleshooting. Integrating all refrigerant detection system components at the factory eliminates unnecessary steps, resulting in significant time savings in the field. Furthermore, Lennox introduced additional enhancements to streamline installation and service, such as dip switches for enabling or disabling the RDS, a convenient test button, and most families are backwards compatible for ease of repair part inventory. Introducing a faster, easier, and more reliable refrigerant detection system, because at Lennox, we prioritize our partners through ease of service and installation.